Hey there, I'm Mark. Thanks for joining me. I have a really cool video. It's from Star Wars and it's drawing the BB-8 Droid. So if you like Star Wars like I do, I'm a huge fan, then you're gonna love this video. Now remember, you guys are in control of the pace of the video. So if I'm going a little bit too fast, don't worry, just hit that pause button and then continue when you're ready. Don't forget to watch to the end of the video when I color BB-8 in. It's really cool and it turns out awesome and you're not going to want to miss out. Don't feel like drawing today? No worries. Go down in the description, click the link, and you can get a free line art and you can just color them in today. I'll start with the main body. So I'm going to draw this circular shape all the way down here. So I draw kind of like some lines like that. Just keep drawing until I get the right circle shape that I want. And then at the top of the page, I'm going to draw this line right here for the head. So we'll have a line this way. We'll come up on both sides like that. And my circle is going to be like this one right here. So I'll go and kind of draw that in right now. So I'll use that line right here, and that's going to kind of come through here like that. So that'll be my main line. Then for the bottom of the unit, I will draw like this curved shape like this. So for the rest of this, I'm just going to use an ink pen. So up over here, we're going to create this dome shape. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to have this like bent corner, and then we'll draw a second curve that kind of follows this lower curve like that. And now we'll connect the two corners of this shape with a curve shape. So we're going to come up to about there. So I'm going to come up, going to kind of round, and then we'll meet back on the other side. Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. So please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Now in the middle, I'm going to draw this circular shape here in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to draw another circle just outside of that. I'm going to stop here because this side here is going to go straight down. And then on this side, we're going to keep going and we're going to stop right about there. Because over here, we're going to have a closer line. So it's going to be a closer line to this circle. And then we'll come out to the right. We'll bend this corner and then we'll come down from there. And then over here, we'll come down like that. And then we'll create a smaller circle. So you want to be smaller than this main one over here. So right in this corner, we'll do a smaller circle like this. Then we'll put a line right here, and we'll draw a small circle in this corner. Then we can draw these two little rectangular shapes in the corner here that this one extends off. We'll do another smaller one right here. It's like a little square shape. And then right about at the lower part of this circle here, you'll draw like this rectangle that kind of sticks out and comes back in. And this will have like a little circle inside of that. Now at the top, we're going to draw this curve shape and we're going to touch this edge right here. So we're going to come down, we're going to kind of clip through there and go up. And then we'll draw another one right about here. Okay, and then what you can do is you can have these lines that kind of curve towards the center, like towards right here. And then on this side, they can kind of curve this way, like that. And then at the top, we'll have these two antennae. And this one's going to be on the left side, so left side of the center. So we'll come like this, we'll draw these two lines, and then we'll draw almost like a little eraser tip at the top. And then this other one, it's going to be on the other side. You'll draw like this little rectangle down here, and then you'll just draw like one line, and you'll come up, you'll pass this shape here, and then you'll draw like this same kind of rectangle up at the top like that. Then I'm going to grab my pencil again. So we're going to come right about here, and we're going to draw this circle like right about here. Okay, and then inside of this we'll draw a smaller circle. Okay, now my circles are a little sloppy, which is okay, but since I do have a circle template, I'm going to draw the rest of these with a circle template. So if you have one, go ahead and grab it. But that's my outer shape, and what I can do at this point is just grab my ink pen and just draw all these with the ink pen and just commit right to that. And then I'll go and I'll draw a smaller circle. So this is going to be like a ring inside of this one, like this. Okay. And then I'm going to draw kind of like this circular shape over here. And I'm going to draw a smaller one, smaller ring inside of that. And then I'll actually outline this right now. So let's go ahead and outline. Okay, so I just outlined that, and I'll finish the bottom of the head as well. So we're going to have one ring coming over this way, like that. We'll have one down over this direction. We'll have one over here, and then we'll have one up over there. So over here, I'll draw a curve like that, and then I'll draw a secondary one, and then this line will just come and meet right up like that. And then this one over here, I'll draw two curves of a circle like this. And then over here at this one, we'll draw another two shapes like that. And then we'll just make sure these connect. And then there's going to be these small circles on either side of these lines. So go ahead and draw those in. Now there's some details on the inner part of this ring over here. So what I'll do here is I'll grab my circle template, and I'm going to draw a small circular shape, not quite in the center, but again offset just a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll just draw like 3/4 of it. So I'm going to come and leave a little bit of a gap right here. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to be able to come down from there like this, and then I'll create this curve that connects the two ends like that. And then from here we can draw a line straight down the center of our circle, and then do a smaller circular shape in there, just partial. And then we can draw a line up over here. We'll draw two lines that kind of come up like this. These will kind of connect. Then I'll draw one right about here next to this one. We'll come up, go like this, come down, and then we'll draw one right here, come over, follow the circle, come up, and we'll do one more on this side. So we'll come right about here, and we'll come down like this, and then we'll have these two rectangular curved shapes like this, one there and then one right here. So you could put some more rectangular shapes down here, and then we can put another one over here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw like a circular shape that follows this outer curve. Then I'm going to come down. This is going to be kind of flat, then it's going to kind of come back up, down, and straight in like that. And that's all it takes to draw BB-8. Now, as I promised, I'm going to color BB-8 in, and I'm going to speed up the video, so follow along till you see me at the end. And there you have it. I just finished drawing BB-8. I hope you enjoyed drawing and following along with me, especially the coloring part. I think that's the most satisfying part of all of this. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So until tomorrow when I draw another video, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.